Now guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to reset your iPhone if you're going to resell or if you're going to return. So settings. Okay, here go to general and then just scroll down. You can see these options, transfer or reset iPhone. So I'm going to choose this transfer or reset iPhone, and here I'm going to reset. So here you can reset all settings, but this is the not one I don't want. Erase all content and settings. I need to choose that. Erase all content and settings. Erase this iPhone. Okay, I'm going to tap continue. Erase anyway, or even you can skip backup. Continue. Erase iPhone. Yes. It will take some time. So that's it, friends. Successfully reset is done. Super cool, right? So this is the way you can do the reset on your iPhone. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks and video comments. Thank you. Bye and take care.